At a restaurant. Complaining politely.
Excuse me, can I speak to you for a moment?
Of course. What's the problem?
My soup is cold.
I'm really sorry about that.
That's okay.
Would you like me to heat it up or bring a new one?
A new one, please.
No problem. I'll bring it right away.
Thank you.
Sorry for the inconvenience.
It's all right. These things happen.
Here's your fresh soup.
Thank you so much.
Let me know if you need anything else.
I will. Thanks again.
At the dentist.
Hello. What brings you in today?
I have a toothache.
How long have you had it?
About 2 days.
Okay. Let me take a look.
Sure.
It looks like a small cavity.
Oh no.
Don't worry. It's easy to fix.
Will it hurt?
Just a little, but I'll be gentle.
Thank you.
All done.
That was fast.
Yes, you did great.
How much do I owe?
$40.
Here you go.
Take care.
At a clothing store.
Hi, can I try this shirt on?
Of course. The fitting rooms are over there.
Thank you.
What size are you trying?
Medium.
If it's too small, we also have large.
I'll check.
Take your time.
It fits well.
Looks great on you.
Thank you. How much is it?
It's $25.
I'll take it.
Perfect.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Great. Here you go.
Thank you.
At the bank. Opening an account.
Good afternoon. How may I help you?
Hi, I'd like to open a savings account.
Great. Do you have a valid ID with you?
Yes, I have my national ID card.
Perfect. Please fill out this form.
All right. Do you need proof of address?
Yes, a utility bill or bank statement works.
I have my electricity bill here.
That's fine.
How long does the process take?
Just a few minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Once I enter your details, you'll get your account number.
Great. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
At the hotel. Checking in.
Good evening. Welcome to the Grand Maple Hotel. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I have a reservation under the name Laura Bennett.
Let me pull that up. Yes, I see it. 3 nights in a deluxe room.
That's correct.
May I have your passport, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Would you prefer 1 king-size bed or 2 double beds?
1 king bed is fine.
Great. Breakfast is served from 6:30 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Perfect. Is there a gym in the building?
Yes, it's on the 3rd floor, open 24 hours.
Nice. Also, can I get a wake-up call for 7 a.m.?
Absolutely. I'll set that up for you.
Thank you so much.
Here's your key card. Enjoy your stay, Miss Bennett.
Thank you.
Asking for direction.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
I'm trying to find the post office.
Oh, that's easy. Go straight down this road.
Okay.
Then turn left at the traffic light.
Left at the light. Got it.
Walk for about 5 minutes. You'll see it on your right.
Perfect. Is it far from here?
Not at all. Maybe a 10-minute walk.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your day.
You too.
On a plane.
Excuse me.
Yes. How may I help you?
Could I get a glass of water, please?
Of course. Still or sparkling?
Still, please.
I'll bring it right away.
Thank you. Also, how long until we land?
About 2 hours.
All right. And do you know the Wi-Fi password?
Yes, it's printed in the seat pocket in front of you.
Oh, great.
Here's your water.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
I will. Thanks again.
At the library.
Hi, excuse me, I'm looking for a book.
Sure, what book do you need?
The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho.
Let me check the system. One moment.
No problem.
Yes, we have 2 copies.
Great. Where can I find them?
In the fiction section, row 3.
Row 3, okay.
The book should be on the middle shelf.
Thank you.
Do you want to borrow it today?
Yes, please.
Bring it to the front desk when you're ready.
Sure.
And your library card, please.
I have it with me.
Perfect.
Thanks for your help.
Anytime.
At the gym.
Hi, I want to join the gym.
Great. Are you looking for a monthly plan or a yearly plan?
Monthly for now.
No problem. Do you want access to classes?
What kind of classes?
Yoga, boxing, aerobics, and spin.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yes, we offer variety.
How much is the monthly plan?
$30 for gym only, $40 with classes.
I'll take the $40 plan.
Great choice.
Do I need an ID?
Yes, please.
Here it is.
Thank you. Let me enter your details.
Take your time.
All set? Welcome to the gym.
Thanks. Excited to start.
Let me know if you need any assistance.